Hello students, today let us study about cell membrane. Okay? Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. And what is cell membrane? It is a thin, outermost, delicate and living layer of a cell. Okay? It acts as a boundary line of the cell. Okay? And it separates the materials contained inside the cell from its external environment. And what are its characteristics? First, I have told you it is outermost. Okay. Second, it is thin. Third, it is living. Fourth, it is delicate. And one more important point, it is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable layer. Okay. And what does the word semi-permeable means? It means it allows the entry of useful substances inside the cell and does not allow the entry of harmful substances inside the cell. So, according to the need of the cell, it allows the entry of molecules inside or out of the cell. Okay. Second, one more important point is that this plasma membrane or cell membrane is found in both plant and animal cell. But in plants, one more extra layer is found, and that is known as cell wall. And cell wall provides rigidity and a fixed shape to the plant cell. And one more important point is that, students, that plasma membrane is made up of lipid plus protein, together known as lipoprotein. Okay, So what is plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is the outermost thin, delicate and living layer of the cell. And what does it do? It separates materials contained inside the cell. That is, it separates protoplasm from the external environment. Okay, and these are the characteristic: outermost, thin, delicate, living and semi-permeable, and it is made up of lipoprotein, and it is found both in animal and plant cell. Whereas in plant cell, one extra layer is found, and that extra layer is known as cell wall, and cell wall is made up of cellulose. And what is the function of plasma membrane? Plasma membrane not only protects the internal content of the cell, but it also allows the entry and exit of different molecules in and out the cell. Hope students you understood many things about cell membrane. Thank you. Hello students, there are two important and new terms. One is cytoplasm and another is protoplasm. And at class 8 level, students confuse between protoplasm and cytoplasm. So let us understand the difference. What is a protoplasm? The whole content present inside the nuclear membrane,